This video is brought to you by AVerMedia, Team Group, and ROCCAT.
What's going on, guys? Sanders here in Taipei Game Show 2018, where we're gonna shoot all types of videos. We're gonna have cosplayer music videos, backstage videos. We're gonna test all the games for consoles and cell phone games, and we're gonna do also vlogging, so this is gonna be fun. Alright guys, so we just back. Killer is already here. He's helping me to shoot some videos, the video intro and all the stuff. And we are waiting for Shenyu and a new friend. His name is Mikey. You're gonna know it today. He's gonna be helping us with all the interviews, and if we need to translate something in Chinese, like Chinese interview, he's gonna do it. But yes, it's kind of crazy. I just see the line of people. There's a lot of people, and it's like I'm kind of scared, like how we be crazy to be walking through all these kind of people, you know. But yes, let's see. Let's wait for Shenyu and Mikey and see what happened. What's up, Shenyu? Finally, you arrived after 25 minutes. We've been waiting for you.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Good.
You have stones in your bag.
Eh?
You have stones in your bag.
Stones?
Stones.
Yes, man. Fucking heavy as hell.
Your legend, assassin, is spreading. Assassin's Creed Origins.
Alright guys, so I'm just back home. It is like 6:30 in Taiwan. I'm pretty tired. It was walking a lot on Taipei Game Show. It's like almost impossible go to one side to another one fast. I'm kind of disappointed because I didn't saw that much cosplayers this day, but whatever. I want to see if the shots are enough to make the video possible. Regardless, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna try to edit the videos on my night. So that's all for this video, my friends. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.